on, engineers. So I noticed something with our site here. Let me just pull this up. and Firefox. It's a bit faster, still slow.
Discovery 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Yo, Tom. This is actually Windsurf. I'm using quite a number of extensions as well. This is just the Windsurf IDE, but in here there's VSCode that I'm using this side. Just that Horizon Beta is rate limited currently. I'm just waiting for it to come back up. Then I'm using VSCode. Thanks for tuning in, man. What's up? What are you deving recently? Which tool do you use currently? Yes, I did. Maybe the music is too loud. Let me decrease the volume a bit. So I asked you which coding tools do you use currently, if you use coding tools. Oh yeah, I know Cody. I think it's been discontinued. Yeah, but that was quite a good coding tool. Hey, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, something else? Oh, C++, yeah. These LLMs actually struggle with C++. What's your go-to model? Do you use Gemini? What do you use? Which one actually is better in C++? No, YouTube won't bonk me. I try to use music that's royalty free. So it's this DMCA free. So yeah, I should be okay. For competitive programming. Oh, that's cool, man. Since you mentioned C++, actually, let's try something in C++, man. I also want to see how good LLMs are in C++. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, high school, nice, man. Very, very nice. Yeah, I'd advise you not to start with AI programming just yet to know the fundamentals. So I think I must learn. Yes, I agree with your comment. Yes, build a base first, understand development first on your own, special algorithms and the likes, and then you'll get to, obviously don't shy away totally from AI coding, but don't focus too much on it. Let me try something in C++. I started with coding originally. Let me start something in C++ that'll interest you. I started with coding. I went to solutions architecture, and then I kind of came back to coding a bit. Yeah, you might be dumb if you use it, if you depend on it. That's the right way, depending on it. So, but if you use it and know how to actually learn from it, I think you can gain quite a lot. For example, now I haven't brushed up on my C++ a lot recently. I want to spin up something to see if I can get up to speed a bit, and to test these LLMs whether they know C++ or not. So let's try Kimi K2. We've opened a new folder. Let's ask it to create a Pomodoro. This is not a good idea, by the way, to be making front ends with C++, but let's just see what it'll actually come up with. So it's using IMGUI, okay, for the front end. The speed of Kimi K2 in Windsurf is not bad at all, actually. It's one of the best. Sonnet 4 is still the best, but Kimi is one of the best, especially considering the price, that it's very cheap. Yeah, it's definitely my go-to now. I use it all the time, especially in Windsurf. It's half a credit, and then I usually use VSCode, which is a great extension. I think it's the best extension in VSCode, and yeah, so I just use it with OpenRouter. I wonder if it can actually one-shot this. We'll see now when it tries to compile it. Yes, you can actually connect it to Figma and other platforms via MCP servers. So Kimi itself doesn't allow it because Kimi is just an LLM. It's Kimi K2. So VSCode allows you to, so you can just go to VSCode. Let me show you actually. Let me close this in the meantime. So in VSCode, you can go to settings, and then after settings, there's MCP. And then in MCP itself, that's where you can actually set up some MCP servers. Yes, fresh. Eh? So marketplace, you'll find MCP, and then here, MC Figma is listed. Figma dev mode, yeah. MCP served by Figma, yes, 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 you can. So you just connect it, and then the LLM Kimi K2 will be able to actually communicate with it, and then you can have your designs. It's actually quite cool. Let me see where Kimi is. Yeah, there's no need to be studying front ends and then trying to make something work in all browsers. So this can handle quite a lot for you. Work better on Windows. Yeah, it has issues on Windows. Yeah, C++ is not friendly on Windows itself. That's why sometimes I just use WSL. But anyway, the benefits of what we have with agents nowadays is that I can leave this agent in Windsurf working on with Kimi K2 on this particular C++ project, then open another one and then work on the other one as well. So I can just continue on this and then check up on the other one while I'm working, which is super cool. Now this side, I created a game where you learn software development, but in Chrome, this car is not actually all cars are not moving fluidly. So I just wanna debug why it's hard to answer these. This game is actually quite fun. Yeah, the multitasking is real. Through props. Okay. In Firefox it's actually quite cool and the speed is okay. Let's just check Chrome. Startware is not defined. Okay, it's probably still busy with something. Let's check. Okay, it's done. Let's tell it to get this error. Yeah, I like the app myself because it's actually an educational app while it's fun at the same time. So yeah, so when I started it, I think I have a dedicated video when I started that particular project. So it's a game, but you learn during the game itself, and I like the fact that you can learn different levels. For example, going to a staff engineer, you can actually learn it on the side. Which I think is super cool. Which is one of the features I'm going to actually add now to add the ability to select a profession. After selecting a profession, the questions will be tailored and the difficulty will be according to the profession that you selected, which I think is going to be super cool. So it selected Pixie, it didn't select 3JS or Godot, but I think it looks good as well. Okay, it still looks fresh in Firefox. Let me see the progress in Chrome. what, 10 FPS. Let me zoom in a bit on the right. It's around 10 FPS, which isn't good at all. But I think this is because I'm using Chrome to view the chat and other things. Probably that's why. Do I think that you should use AI to make my portfolio page or learning full stack and making it myself? I'd say if you're not comfortable with full stack, do it yourself first. That's what I did in the PHP days, just to get to know the principles and ORM, for example, to communicate with your database, and then only afterwards you'd be able to use AI to be faster. I'd say AI is mainly used to be faster. The others are not really good use cases. Very good. Yeah, this one's wrong. Oh, nice. Since you love learning things, you're like me, then you're set. I actually have a script to deploy this to Azure because I'm hosting it on Microsoft Azure. Let me deploy the current version. Deploy to Azure API and the static web app. So cool. I wanted to make a video about this, and I thought to myself, let me just go live. What I want is that on the landing page here, I want a person, instead of selecting topics like the way we're doing now with algorithms, C#, C++, and the likes, solid principles, I want people to select a profession and select the seniority, for example, staff engineer and the likes. So this is what I'm going to ask Kimi K2 to do here. Let me just see if Horizon Beta is back. Okay, Horizon Beta is back and it's actually free. I don't know whether you know that Horizon Beta is free on Open Router, so you can use the LLM for free. So yeah, it is still free. It's probably going to be, it's going to be released this week, I think, by OpenAI or Google, probably OpenAI, but it's currently free, so you can code for free without paying for anything, and it's actually quite good. So I'm going to use it because it's free. Use it with the VSCode. Oh, you wanna cook algorithms? Actually, you can try it on raise.mavito. Let me send you the link in chat. raise.mavito.com. I think the last deployed version should be working. Okay, I think the API is just launching. It cost, but not a lot. I think on iPage it was promotional. Was it $5 or something like that per annum? So it's for the domain. It was for the domain, both the domain and the hosting itself. So it didn't cost me a great lot. Oh, did you see that Anthropic literally just released? Wow. Claude 4.1 Opus. Okay, so it made the modifications here. Let's start a new task. Oh, $5 you can use it. Oh, okay. So you reckon it's a lot? The backend is actually not bad at all. It's actually a .NET backend. Oh no, you're talking about the deployed one. Yeah. The deployed one is slow because I'm using a free hosting version in Microsoft Azure. So it's actually quite slow there. That's what I'm working on. But now it's slow, I think, because I'm deploying. As you can see, let me show you the side. Yeah, it's actually, the build has succeeded and then it's actually deploying. As you can see, Code Racer backend, Azure website. So probably that's why it's slow. Okay, what I'm going to tell it. Oh, by the way, I think I have some MCP servers set up here. Yes, Puppeteer is installed. Brave Search is installed. That's good. Oh, you have some Azure credits. Oh, that's nice. The problem is that, yeah, it's a bit tricky to actually use the credits without going over the credits. Is it the $200 credit or something else? Let me install Context 7 here. Oh yeah, I noticed there are 4.5k subs and only 5 are watching. Yeah. The thing is, I don't go live. This is like the first or second time I've ever gone live. So I literally do not go live. And the time that I'm going live now is a bit weird. It's like 10 a.m. or so. Eh, okay, yeah, just learn a bit more about the front end and the back end. Which one do you prefer, by the way? Let me tell it to plan this feature and move to architect mode. Switch to Horizon Beta, pin it. Oh, you're a night owl, that's nice. You're not nocturnal. I want users to be able to select professions like staff engineer, principal, software developer, senior, full stack developer, and have questions tailored to their level. Yeah, this is the feature I want, and I wanted to actually plan this as an architect. Super chat. Oh no, you'll do it when you're okay, man. Thanks for the gesture. So if we have this feature where a person can select a profession, I think that'll be super cool. We'll also be able to see if Horizon Beta is actually good with the front end. Let me just stage these changes to Git. So this is one thing I dislike, guys, about Horizon Beta and Horizon Alpha, is that they ask too many questions, and this is what I experienced before with Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I do not like it. It's not a good feature. It lessens the agentic nature of the LLM and the tool itself. So one thing I like about VSCode is that we have the ability to to actually set a default timer that will automatically select the first answer out of the possible questions that it lists to us, which is superb. Actually progressing quite well. Let me zoom out a little bit to see where it's at with the plan. So define scope and acceptance criteria, design data model, that's good. Specify tagging guidelines, tailoring, okay. API contract, those are the models, that's nice. User experience flow, acceptability. It actually drafted a great plan, yeah. Unit test as well, rollout plan. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice plan. Oh, it even created a plan for the endpoints here. Tailored questions, preview, profession, full stack, level staff, count 15. Is the count okay? It's literally the count, not the number of years of experience. This is cool. Okay, if the plan is done, then I'm ready to code. I can just switch to code and then tell it to code the plan thoroughly using to-dos. Okay, now that we have okay. Yeah, this one is OP, man. What's it doing here? Making migrations folder. No. Let me see something. No, here's where no, this is where it's implementing it incorrectly. Oh, you raised, nice. Which category did you select? Did you go for algorithms or something else? Oh, it didn't let you select the topics. Okay, let me go there. Raise.myfuture.com. Let me go into mobile mode. You said you couldn't select a topic, but when you raised, it was able to raise, I think. On the browser, I can actually raise. Are you on mobile? Oh, error submitting answer. Oh, I see what you're talking about. It gives an error. Okay, no, I see what you're talking about. Okay, cool. I see there's an error. Probably it wasn't. Let me check the response. It wasn't deployed correctly or something like that. Oh, I know this. I fixed this. So the deployment didn't go through. Oh, you're on a Mac. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, something wasn't deployed. Deployment failed. Yeah. I'm not sure it's failing the deploy. Oh, let me deploy this one. I'll have to stop it for a little bit while it's deploying. Yeah, it's very slow because I'm on the free tier on Azure because I don't want to spend too much money in Microsoft Azure. As you can see here, for example, obviously it's in East US, but I'm on a tier basic one, which is quite cheap, so I don't have the resources currently to run it at full capacity. So yeah, I'll probably scale it some other time. Yeah, it's just the API. The API is very slow. Oh, did you see? OpenAI literally just released the open source model. Let me show you. Oh man, this is big. They released 2 of their open source models. Oh man, this is huge. Whoa. Oh, this is big. Both of them. Oh man. You're on the 5th pop-up, but on the 5th question, but there's no pop-up. Yeah, I'll have to scale out the API so it's faster, eh? So yeah, the open source models from OpenAI, I think we can try them live. We made an open model that performs at the level of 04 mini and runs on a high-end laptop. Wow! And a smaller one that runs on a phone. Super proud of the team. Nice. Wow. Let me check what he said. GPT open source is a big deal. State of the art open weight reasoning model. Oh, it's a reasoning model. Comparable to 04 mini. Locally on your own computer. Nice. How do I update the stream title? I wonder. You believe this is the best and most usable open model in the world? Excited to make this model. The result of billions of dollars of research available to the world today. Wow. AI into the hands of the most people possible. Believe far more good than bad will come from it. For example, 220 billion parameter performs about as well as on 3 on challenging health issues. Wow. Wow. Especially around biosecurity, models perform comparably. Internal safety benchmark, that's good. Believe in individual empowerment. Do we believe most people we want to use convenience services like ChatGPT? Should be able to directly control and define their own AI, and they need to. Wow, this is brilliant. Oh, this is brilliant. This is brilliant stuff, man. Wow. This is brilliant. Okay, let's see if it's available on OpenRouter. I want to see the evaluations. Some hugging face as well. Nice. Full chain of thought. This is huge. This is big. when you use ChatGPT, you should use O3. O3 is actually goated. Oh, these open models are very, very good. Deployment partners, nice. Open root as well. Let's see how to run it locally with Olama. I'm also checking out the free versions of both. Okay. This is more than 60 gigs of VRAM. Okay. Okay, let's prove a small one. I'm streaming, so I'm not expecting it to actually run fast. Yeah, GPT is good. You gotta go. No, thanks, man. Thanks for popping in. Thanks, Tom. I'll see you some other time, man. Cool. Thanks, man. Bye. Oh, Claude Opus is also live. Oh, this week is crazy, man. Opus is also live in Windsurf. Opus 4.1, that is. What a crazy week. Already, Google released Genie 3. Anthropic just released Opus 4.1 a minute ago. Now OpenAI just released the 2 OpenAI open models. It's crazy. Wow, this is crazy. Anthropic, Claude Opus 4.1. there are no updates. Okay, I guess we can just select Opus and use it. No, not here. They really messed up their model selector. Cool. I wonder how many credits that 4 Opus is going to be. Okay, put in level. Newer version of Olama. Okay. Doesn't Olama CLIF update? Great, maybe? Nope. This is actually crazy. One thing to note is that I don't think the open source models will be here for now in ChatGPT, but I think they should be there in Open Router in a bit.
Every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions. Liftoff of mission 41B with the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Discovery Houston, trim to ATO.
Oh, it is here. Okay, they are both here actually. So 60 cents per million output tokens, 15 cents for a million input tokens, 131,000 context, which is brilliant. I want to see the speed. Offered by Fireworks and Grok currently. Grok has 800 tokens per second, which is crazy, but it's not up yet. So they're still going to announce it in a bit. So we're waiting for a few announcements. On who's hosting it already. Generally, people are happy. Probably GPT-5 on Thursday. Okay, this looks good. Okay. We'll have to probably, not probably, we'll have to fade off against Kimi K2 when this becomes available broadly. Oh, this is cool, man. This is cool. Waiting for announcements from a few providers. I see Grok is coming online here. Yeah, Grok is online. How much? 25 cents for Grok. Let's move away a bit from Horizon Beta. OSS, the 120B version. Pressing effort. Let's start with low. Let's tell it to continue with the implementation here. Now allow providers. Okay, so Grok is online but on open router, but not officially, it seems like. Let me check with client. Going to be let's say hi to see if it's online or not. Thinking, oh, there are the thinking tokens. Nice. That's just a greeting. There's no actual task. In act mode, we need to respond appropriately. Now we can see the thinking tokens. And it says hello. We got a hello. We got a hello from OpenAI, open source 120B. Oh, let's see how good it is in coding. Here's the first error it must fix. Okay, fix this. Come on, fix this, please. Let's see, OpenAI open source incline. Okay, Grok is giving some errors. Let's resume. Okay, let's post. I must say it's looking good, guys. Open source, finally. This is probably one of the best open source models out there. We're going to obviously compare it to Kimi K2 to see actually how it fares off against Kimi K2. model looks good. Guess so. Oh, nice. What do pass for nice life? Yeah, nice. Launch Windsurf to try it out. Okay. We launch it. Wonder how many credits it's consuming. Let's try Claude Opus 4. See how it's doing. Trying Claude Opus 4, 4.1, the new release. Oh, 11 Labs also released 2 hours ago, guys. This is a crazy day. Wow. Upgrade to Claude Opus 4. Doesn't look like that big of an upgrade, but hey, we'll test it out and see. Coming weeks, large improvements to their models. Nice. Didn't look like Kesa announced anything yet. GitHub also didn't announce anything yet. Where is the previous opus? Wasn't it the best already? Here it is. Criminal coding, it's better. It's the best actually in the world. This doesn't look like a substantial improvement, but in practical coding it might be. Okay, open book says it's going to add opus 4.1 now. Windsurf has added it. Oh, it's available in Casa as well. What is the pricing? Oh, there we go. Opus 4.1. Let's test it out. How much is it, by the way? 20 credits. Oh no. Oh, this is very, very bad. Let me warn people. Oh my goodness. Opus is what? 20 credits. And this is not the thinking version. How much is the thinking? Okay, they're both 20 credits. Oh my goodness. People should be warned of this. People should know about this, huh?
Roger, 0J, and I feel fine. Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41B. The first
No,
flight
no,
of
no,
the
no,
Discovery
no.
has cleared the tower.
20. My goodness.
3, 2, 1, 0, 0.
Sonnet 4 is actually 2 credits. No, 10 times. Oh, no ways, man.
Discovery 4 computers now
No
have
ways.
primary control of critical vehicle functions.
That's too expensive. Too expensive, but you know we're gonna try it. Not with something small though. let's see how good this opus is. $20 credits, man. It's a big one. Oh, I have an example of a prompt. I have an example of a prompt. I think it's a good one, guys. I have an example of a prompt. Let's create a new project. I have a task for Opus 4.1. Coda. This is going to be expensive, guys. It is still with me, it's still slow. Windsurf, come on, there. Create a system with CLI. Let's do Gemini CLI. Where is it? Boom. So what we're going to do, exclude Google Gemini CLI.
Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbital Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. Discovery's core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Modify. So see. source.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Use let's make it support. Go. We should have selected the thinking one, but it's fine. It should suffice. This is going to be expensive. Okay, let's see how it does. But to be honest, this is not worth it because these are 20 credits, and Kimi K2 is half a credit, which means we're going to have 40 requests with Kimi K2, and with 40 requests can match whatever Claude Opus 4.1 can actually output. Let's see. Okay, good service. This is Claude Opus 4.1 in Windsurf. He just created a Git service for the Gemini CLI. But it's overloaded. No, guys. Okay, but it just released, so I understand a little bit. Closely monitoring this so I can actually see when the first request actually ends. So that will be worth 20 credits. That's not cheap. Computer models, 3 Upas, Gemini Pro. That's the general ones. Creating the dual LLM comparison engine. Theoretically, it can just create 2 instances of the Gemini CLI and use those. Let me disable auto continue. It's so expensive. Hey, it's taking longer than expected here. Okay, it's creating comparison dashboard. Already as an IDE companion. Okay, let me npm install in the meantime. VSCode and package. Okay. Yes. The packages. If you over here, the big thing, over here and click on this, the credits used 20 for just 22 calls. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna switch back to Kimi K2, tell it to continue. Okay, I'm going to let Kimi K2 run it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll try to organize a live stream some other time, probably a bit later. Yep, let you know.